Hey guys, it's Gerald and it's been so long since I last played badminton. And I really want to play, but you know, COVID-19 and then after that, surgery. Finally, I'm like 2 weeks off my sling. So now let's head over to the Blue SG car. I'm going to rent a car with all my setup. Head over to the badminton court and we're going to make some videos today. Alright, so catch you around. Yo, Josiah, how are you?
I am good.
Enjoy. Okay. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's go. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for rackets or any equipment online, we have a partnership with Badminton Bay, so you can use our promo code right over here to get 5% off all your purchases. So welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about doubles smashing footwork. So we're looking at footwork at the baseline, basically the side-to-side jump footwork. Technically, it could be used for singles, but it's a lot more often seen in doubles where it's a footwork that helps you to save one extra step so that you can reach the shuttle quicker and do a very aggressive attacking shot.
This will hurt the Malaysians if they don't win this.
So we're going to demonstrate both the normal footwork, you know, the one where you turn behind, as well as the double side step footwork. So Josiah will be the one that will be demonstrating how it's done, because right now I'm still currently not supposed to be exercising. But anyways, I've been missing the court so much. I decided to, you know what, make this video for you guys. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first up, we're going to basically do the regular footwork, the two baseline footwork. So I'll point to Josiah. Subsequently, we're going to shift it towards the side footwork. So he's going to do 6 of each. So 6, you know, back baseline footwork, and then 6 side-to-side footwork. So he'll demonstrate, and I kind of point out certain things he could work on, and you kind of learn along the way as you watch. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Ready? Go. Very good. This side. One more. Faster. Come back faster. Come on. Yep. Come back. There. Very nice. That's 4. 2 more. 5. Last one. Okay. Side to side. Let's go. 1, 2, very good, 3, 4, come on, again, 5, last one, give me your best one, very nice. Okay, so how about side? Let's say if you want to do a side jump. Yep, this side, very good, very good, very good, very good. You got that? Okay, so while you're resting, let's talk about certain things you can work on. So I think generally the form is good, but what you want to do, right, is you want to, after you smash, keep your core, bring your core down fast. So that's the one thing you need to work on. And when you do side-to-side jump, there is several things that you need to take note of. So the first thing, right, is that when you train the side-to-side jump, there is 2 kinds. The first is high, the second is far and flat. Okay? So let's try this a few times. We try the high one twice, then the side one twice. So basically the objective is height. The second, the objective is speed. You get the difference? So, and more importantly, bring your core down after you smash. Okay? Let's try it again. Let's go. Very good. Very good. So okay, so you want to add a small step first. Small step, then jump. Yeah, small step, then jump. Okay, so do 4 in a row. Once you're ready, whenever you're ready, just start. Very good, very good. Very good. Now fast. Small step first. Missed the small step. Getting better. Yeah, add the small step, add the small step. Can you catch your breath? 30 seconds. Yeah. There we go. So the small step helps in first balance, because if you one-shot jump, you can. But typically you have this split step, right? So split step, then you jump, also can. But typically, usually when you move, you're in transition when you use this footwork. So that is why the small step helps a lot when it comes to getting a position. Yeah. So when we practice, typically we practice with a small step, at least in my experience. Okay, so now we do both sides fast, because I think your high was pretty okay. But the flat, that's the one that we want to work on. Can? So give me 6 good side to side double smashing footwork. Or side jump footwork actually, I just call it double smashing for clickbait. Okay, so let's go. Ready?
No pointing.
No pointing. Whenever you're ready. Very good. Fast. Yeah, there we go. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, you're done. Alright, so that was the side-to-side footwork that Josiah did. So typically that footwork is a very aggressive footwork, so you use that footwork when you're trying to attack. So that could be your smashing, your drop shot, or your flat kind of punch, kind of lobbing attack. So a few things to note was that if you notice, Josiah didn't turn his entire body to the side, because by doing that, it kind of slows down the movement, and it's not very natural given that you're jumping sideways and you're turning like that, right? So for this, you would not be able to get as much power as compared to when you do the full step forward kind of smashing technique. So that's one. Another thing to take note of is that whenever he lands, always keep his leg, he always kept his leg wide. Why? Because that kind of prevents injuries when you land. So if you're not careful, you can kind of twist and really injure your ankle. So always try to get your landing in the middle and feet apart. So that's just 2 important tips to take note when you're trying to do this footwork. So with that said, I hope this video is helpful. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other footwork videos over here and here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Okay. I coach with my left hand because my right hand is obviously injured. So that means I have to drop the shuttle with my right, feed with my left. Ready, Joe? Like it, doesn't drop. Horrible boy. You ready? Everyone? Very good. Again. Nah, today I can do it.